Good morning, friends. Once again, I am Alpesh sir with the new video of construction from one of the famous institute, Arihan Coaching. And as you know, construction is one of the part of the mathematics and its question paper. Now here I am with the new question. It is question 5. Draw AB is equal to 8 centimeter, taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Friends, it is a new construction, so concentrate here. You can easily understand it, and whatever tips I am giving through the video, you must mention while you are practicing. So concentrate here. First, I will draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Here I have drawn a line segment of 8 centimeter. It is line segment of 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter line segment. Here it is. It is 8 centimeter. We can say it is A, it is B, and 8 centimeter. Now from A and B, we have to construct two circles in such a way. One has radius 4, the other has radius 3. So first is a little bit bigger. From A 4 centimeter radius and from B 3 centimeter radius. From A and B we have to take radius of A 4 centimeter, from B radius 3 centimeter. Here I am constructing or drawing a circle with A as a center, like this. Mind well, the circle must be proper. You must take the measurement accurately so that you can construct the circle according to the necessity. Here I am constructing a circle by taking the proper measurement. You can see it is the circle having proper measurement. This is the circle required for the construction. Now through this we have to draw another circle from B, and this circle having 3 centimeter radius, so it will be little bit smaller, and it is 3 centimeter radius. By taking center as B, the circle we have to complete. This circle has center B. This has center B. You can see here it is circle with center A and center B. We have constructed two circles. Now from two circles, according to question, from point A, we have to construct the tangents through this circle, here like this. And from point B, we have to construct the tangents here. So tangents from A, tangents from B. And for that, the common construction, and it is, we have to find midpoint of A and B by taking more than half measurement from A and B. Here I have taken more than half measurement. I will make two arcs, one arc upside, the other arc downside. With the same measurement from B, one arc upward, the other arc downward. Where both the arcs intersect, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. We can say here it is P and it is Q. From P and Q we have to draw the line which intersect AB at M. This line intersect AB at M. M is the midpoint for AB. Now by taking M as a center, we have to construct another circle. By taking M as the center and MA and MB must be same. We can say MA and MB. So from here like this we have to draw the circle, and it must be pass from A also. This circle must pass from A also, like this. Here from A it will intersect the means given circle in two different points. Here I will draw the circle by taking this radius in a proper way, and this circle intersect the given circle in two distinct points. You can see this circle intersect. Here we can say it is X, it is Y, it is U, it is V. Now we have to construct the tangents. A and X we have to join. So AX line is a tangent from A to the circle. So this is tangent AX. It is a tangent. The same way AY, it is a tangent. A and Y we have to join. So line AY is the required tangent. The same way from B to U we have to join. B and U we have to join. Here I am joining B and U. We can see that this BU is a tangent. Another tangent is B and V. We have to join. So here we can see that B and V. From B and V we have to construct the tangent, and it will like this. I hope everybody understand this construction. I would like to repeat whatever I had done. So concentrate. First I have drawn AB. It is equal to 8 centimeter. Then B to this center, it is 3 centimeter, and A to this radius 4 centimeter. So these two circles, from A 4 centimeter circle, from B 3 centimeter circle. Now both the circles I have drawn by taking A and B radius according to given instruction. Now we have to get the perpendicular bisector of AB. How have I done? Taking more than half of AB, one arc upside, one arc downside. From B, one arc upside, one arc downside. Both the arcs meet at P and Q. PQ will intersect to AB at M. By taking M as the center and AM or MB is the radius, I have constructed this big circle which intersect X, Y, V, U. Then line AX is the tangent, AY is another tangent, BU tangent, BV tangent. I hope you can understand this construction, and points whatever we had written till today, they are the same point. So I hope you enjoy this construction. Now I will come with the new video for next construction. Till then you should repeatedly watch the video. and I will come soon.